Into that, I'm sure you might not have
Inspekta wa borithi Joseph Boinett na muikariri wa kamiti ya uruti wira wa borithi Johnstone Kavuludi mauma mbere ya kamiti-ini kuhungwo mahuri ciĩgiĩ woyani wa borithi.
Na pia pale pa kusema kwamba
Ndugamano na Ndugamano gatagati ka area cio niiyumiririe mbere ya kamiti-ino ya ugitiri bunge ya Senate iguru ria woyani ucio. Kamiti ya Kavuludi ikiorotera ofisi ya Inspekta wa borithi kumana na kobana kwa mĩhang'o ĩyo.
Recruitment were not brought to the commission in the stipulated time which we had given under the regulations. We too felt pretty frustrated.
Kavuludi ni igie akauga hauko nyitanĩri gatagati ka ofisi icio igĩrĩ ningĩ nĩguo koretwo kĩhobania mĩhang'o ya kamiti ĩyo. Kamiti ĩyo ikauga Boinett na anini ake erĩ matikoretwo makĩnyita itemi mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kamiti ĩyo ona thengia ya gũkorwo marĩ na itemi inene.
In the absence of those two, if the IG and his team came to your meetings, would you have quorum?
We find we are incapacitated in terms of quorum.
Ona maseneta nimathanganiirie mauma marĩa ruhonge rwa borithi rũroraga hĩndĩ ya woyani ucio.
And when I read your document, it's like you visited countries for what we call benchmarking, and you went to places where there are tall people.
Not only is training in police colleges quite rigorous, but police work ordinarily is also physically demanding.
Senator Moses Wetangula ningĩ nĩameneire ministry ya ugitiri kumana na kĩrĩa augĩte nĩ koretwo ĩkĩingĩrĩra ofisi ya Inspekta wa borithi.
The minister regularly went on TV and said, I have ordered the Inspector General to go and splash water on those fools. If they don't wash at their homes, we'll wash them on the streets. I have ordered, he said. And you did it.
Kamiti-ini ningĩ nĩ ikwendaga gũtarĩrio marĩa makinyanĩirio harĩ ũthuthuria ũrĩa ũrathiĩ na mbere wĩgiĩ gũcinwo kwa macukuru ica ikuhĩ. No Boinett akauga anene a macukuru nĩo marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩku wa kũgacĩria mawatho macukuru-inĩ.
Not ready to tell the country as to who is responsible besides the very many individuals we have arrested. The primary responsibility of keeping order is primarily the responsibility of headmasters.
Surely can school fires go on for the period they have done, cause the damage they have done, raise numbers of schools to over 115, and today we are still investigating.
Makĩria ma macukuru 100 nĩ mũmeriga kũmundio mwaki nĩ arutwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV rĩtwara kuna masharia wa Gacuru.